Here are the key features of the AS-6M144-HC solar module series developed by Amerisolar, one of the worldwide leaders in photovoltaic technology. This series has 7 models with a maximum power output of 465 watts and a peak efficiency of 21.27%. Each module is composed of 144 half-cut monocrystalline cells, which are more efficient compared to traditional full-size solar cells. Cutting a standard solar cell in half reduces its area, lowering electrical resistance and ensuring better shade tolerance. This solar module series also incorporates multi-busbar technology. Each module has more bus bars than the standard ones. The greater the number of bus bars, the lesser the space in between each of them. This helps shorten the path of flowing current, which in turn reduces energy losses resulting from resistance. Furthermore, the modules are built with PERC technology. PERC cells have an additional passivation layer on the back, unlike traditional solar cells. This technology allows to reduce electron recombination and improve light absorption, which leads to better productivity. Aside from its efficiency-enhancing technologies, this module series is also equipped with durable and resistant components, ensuring operational safety and reliability. It has an anodized aluminium alloy frame that helps the module withstand wind loads of up to 2,400 pascals and snow loads of up to 5,400 pascals. The modules are resistant to potential induced degradation effects and also have passed salt mist, ammonia and hail tests, making it highly reliable even in extreme environmental conditions. We stand by the quality of our product by offering a 20-year product warranty and a 30-year linear power output warranty. In terms of shipping arrangement, we pack 31 pieces per pallet with 155 panels in a 20-foot and 682 in 40-foot containers respectively. Since 1993, Amerisolar has been manufacturing solar modules and providing technical services for solar power plants all over the world. Our photovoltaic modules are designed in an advanced testing lab and are strictly produced in compliance with IEC 61215, UL 1703 and other standards.